Yo, what's going on guys? It's Nams back today with another video. So, I'm sure all of you, or at least some of you, are thinking what on earth is going on with the CLS 63 AMG. It's been 2 months since I've last posted a video on it, and at that video we diagnosed the motor to be seized and we removed it out of the car, stripped it down and found out that we need a brand new crankshaft. So, it's been 2 months since then. Surely it should have been built up by now, right? As usual, we've been extremely busy. We've actually got at the moment 4 V8s in here at the same time for a rebuild, and we've got an M135i as well, and we've got a few cars outside in the queue being ready to be built. And bear in mind, these are all customer vehicles, so customers always come first. Projects can wait. But aside from that, I do got to let you know, I've managed to get hold of all the bits and pieces that I got. I'll show you them in a bit. And very, very luckily, remember I said to you, I said that it needs a brand new crankshaft costing me £4,000. Do you know what's actually mad? YouTube is the best platform ever because one of my subscribers left me a comment saying, if you want a crank, send me an email. And guess what? I did exactly that. And lo and behold, he told me to hit up Brothers Performance. I done exactly that. And they had a used crankshaft available for £1,500. Compare that to £4,000. That was worth waiting for, I'll tell you that. What is that? Quick maths. That's £2,500 cheaper, and at the same time the bearings from Mercedes are still on back order, so I still have to wait for that. This is the crank that I got from Brothers Performance. It's a used one in very good condition, no scratches whatsoever, so it's ready to go back in the car. So into the workshop. CLS, where the hell are you? Here we got a BMW M5 in for oil consumption issues. It's basically consuming too much oil for the system, and we have diagnosed the passenger side turbo to be faulty. Here we got an M135i for a full engine rebuild. It's just been completed, sounding absolutely amazing. Here's another C-Class that we got. This one timing chain failure. And here, F-Speed M5 for a rebuild, and another M5 for a rebuild. And oh, what's this? It looks like the CLS 63 AMG is just sitting, chilling up there on the ramp. Oh, I forgot to say as well, during this time, we've installed another 2-post ramp here because we're so bloody busy at the moment. We've got no choice but to add lifts. We've got 3 over there already, another one there, and I've even decided for another one here. It's very hard, but you know, squeezing ramps in wherever we can, to be honest. It's got to be done. It's got to be done now. Let's go back into the office and let's have a look at these parts that I've got for the CLS AMG rebuild. So over here, as you can see, we've got all the timing chains, head gasket kit. We've got a pair of head gaskets. We've got a used crankshaft from Brothers Performance, the one I was talking about before. And obviously you've got all the other head bolts and everything. All genuine Mercedes parts. You don't want to mess around when it comes to these things because you go cheap, you end up making mistakes, and you end up having problems and failures as well, especially with Chinese parts. So avoid that stuff. As you can see, due to being extremely busy in the workshop at the moment with the customer vehicles, we are slightly behind on the AMG project. But I assure you, as summer comes closer, I'm freeing myself up more and more as time comes closer. I will be making much more content. I'll be trying to post at least every 2 weeks from now on. But yes, I hope this update has kept you guys in the loop. I shall be back to filming that very soon. You can expect content from me next Monday, hopefully, for F-Speed's M5 on part 2, where we basically built the engine back up and put it in the car and start it up and see what happens. So until then guys, peace out. Before you peace out, follow me on my Instagram, nams_boost. I'll see you guys next time.